This iPhone 13 Pro has a dying battery and we're replacing it ourselves with a third-party battery. And here's the interesting part. In the new iOS, we can now see the design capacity even after the swap. First step is always the same. Remove those two pentalobe screws at the bottom. The suction cup method is your best friend here unless you're dealing with a phone that has shattered back glass. In that case, the two-sided vacuum won't hold and you'll need to use a normal suction cup. I start heating the corners and the bottom edge first. This might take a while, so be patient and don't heat on one spot, move around. After heating for a bit, you'll feel a small gap start to open. That's your cue to slide in a plastic pick in carefully. Metal picks exist, but using them around the modern iPhone is asking for trouble. There are multiple flex cables running along the edges of these devices, and one slip can sever a connection that's expensive or impossible to fix. With the screen open, the first thing we see is this metal shield covering the battery and the screen connectors. Battery connector gets disconnected first. This is critical. If you try to unplug the screen cables while the power is still flowing through the device, you risk a short circuit that can break the logic board. Moving up to the top shield now, the front sensor flex cable is under here and it includes the Face ID components. This is one of those cables you want to be extremely gentle with. Now the screen can come off safely. I always set it face down on a cloth or something soft. Apple includes these pull-out tabs on the battery, similar to older models. In theory, you're supposed to pull them slowly at a low angle and the battery just lifts out. In practice, these tabs break like 90% of the time. Some repair shops swear by heating the back of the phone to loosen the adhesive before attempting the tabs. Others go straight to the alcohol. I'm using alcohol here because it's faster and in my experience gives me more consistent results. You let it seep under the battery edges, wait about 30 seconds and the adhesive breaks down significantly. Always use plastic tools around the battery. The new battery needs to sit exactly where the old one was, so the connector lines up properly with the logic board. Don't plug in the battery just yet. Wait until the screen is completely connected. This will prevent the phone from accidentally booting up and causing damage. The shields go back in reverse order. These aren't just for show, they provide structural support and keep the connectors from wiggling loose over time. Closing the screen requires applying even pressure all around the edges. Power it on and in the settings you should see the capacity showing 100%. Like and subscribe and see you in the next video.